guys, welcome to Code with Bishal YouTube channel. This is a part of complete web development series. If you haven't watched the previous video, please follow the link given in the description, or you can see on the top of the video. In this video, we will learn what are comments in HTML and why to use them and how to write comment in HTML. Okay, let's start our video. What are comments in HTML? Comments are a piece of code which is ignored by browser. Writing comments into your HTML is a good practice, and we should always write our HTML code. It is very useful, especially in complex documents. It helps to separate the documents section, and which makes easy to understand and increase the readability. How to write comment in HTML? HTML comments are placed between this and anything inside these are treated as comment and browser ignores it. Let's learn how to write it practically in proper HTML document. How can we write comment on a proper HTML document? First, we will create a HTML. We will write HTML and we close HTML. And after this, we will write head tag. Inside head tag, we will write title. We will give a title called what are comments in HTML. Then after this, we will write body tag. Inside body tag, we will write comment tag like a script for comment like this, and inside this we will write our comments. I have written my comments. In this way you can write your comments to separate your documents, which makes your document readability. And after this I am writing a s1. Inside s1, this is our comment. This is how you can write comment. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more such video.